Learn how to create a database in MySQL with this step-by-step tutorial. In this video, we'll cover the basics of creating a database in MySQL, including the create database statement, the open database statement, the display databases statement, the similar databases statement, the deleting databases statement. Create database syntax. Create database, if not exists, database name. For example, school is your database name. Then you write create database school. To open database syntax, use database name. Example, use school. To display database syntax, show databases, similar database syntax. Show databases like database name. To deleting database syntax, drop database name. Example, drop database school. Based on this database creation tutorial, you can expect 2 to 3 questions on board exams, such as writing SQL queries, creating databases, or understanding database concepts. Subscribe to our channel now and stay updated on the latest database tutorials and tips.